Happy birthday to Rosie. Happy birthday to... How's it going, birthday girl?
Oh.
I still haven't.
Oh wait, shit! Do you know it's her birthday?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
We sang her happy birthday on the boat to Pinnacle, so we'll do the same on the way to the police.
We don't need to. It's alright.
Of course we do that.
You ready, Kevin?
Gosh. Hello. It's your birthday.
How old do you think I am? Or do you know?
20. Wait, 23.
Yeah.
Oh,
I was
nailed
gonna
it.
say I reckon
Nailed
you
it.
do.
I'm not taking
Okay,
this
happy
with us.
That's it. I'm gonna hug Duncan. Duncan just woke me up and put a camera in my face.
You're a fanny.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
I need to shave. Me and Rosie have got one more dive, and it's a night dive. We've dove twice today. One was at Pinnacle, which we've been to before, and then the second one was at... The second one was at Police Wreck, which is like 3 police boats that have been intentionally sunk in like 2010. And it was pretty cool because we got to do like some swim throughs. We flirted with the idea of non-decompression for those that know what diving is like, but it was fine. And now we've got like a shallow night dive, and then it's our last night in the Perhentian. Oh, okay, I need to go.
Whoa.
I'm sorry, it's my chair. He's gonna hate me from now on.
I'm gonna take Duncan and Rosie, and Ben is gonna take Vincent, Francois, and Jean-Marie. Okay? Okay. Yes. So my group is gonna go in this direction. So this is where we anchor the boat. So yeah, we're gonna go left, and Ben's group is gonna go right. And we're gonna do 45 minutes. Since it's the last dive of the day, and yeah, Captain wanna get home, so I can dive for a while, but
Yeah, we have to keep night dives to 45 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So since we all have been on this site before, we're just gonna see what it's like at nighttime. See what we can find. Maybe we can find a cuttlefish, maybe an octopus. Yeah, something of the stuff that comes out at night.
Coral cat shark.
Yeah, coral cat sharks out swimming. They usually hide on the rocks during days, so yeah. See what we can find. Differences, night dive to
Whoa! Sorry. Oh my goodness!
That's us just back from our night dive, and it was a pretty cool night dive, to be fair. We went out and we weren't sure whether we were gonna go out at all because we had got hit by this like tropical like thunderstorm. And even when we were like went to go to deploy out of the boat, you could see like lightning like flying off, well, somewhat in the distance, but like it was still pretty cool. Saw a few crabs, a few rays, a few nudibranchs, small worm things, and that was my like 120th dive, and that was our last dive at Turtle Divers. Turtle Divers was really good for the whole week, so if you feel like diving in a Rosie, come to the vlog. Come to the vlog.
I feel like I've been here before.
So yeah, if you want to go, if you're ever diving the Perhentian Islands or Perhentian Islands, go to Turtle Bay Divers. They're really good, really accommodating, really cheap, and yeah, I'd definitely go there again. Also, the staff are really good. Shout out to Lee, Ben, Kevin, Nick, and all the dive masters that are there.
You just listed all the dive masters.
I didn't list Dreads. What's her name again?
Camille.
Camille. And that's about it. We're gonna go and see the fire show for one last time. You're shaking the table. And then we're gonna celebrate Rosie's birthday. Birthday.
It's just my ass.
Well, it's raining again. When it rains here, it really rains.